guys! Welcome to our vlog!
Hello, good morning. So ngayon ay pupunta kami sa mall para bumili ng gift para sa classmate ng aking anak na si Enzo kasi may birthday party. Ang party ay 11 AM, ngayon ay 10:30 na pero hindi pa kami nakabili ng gift. Sasaglit lang kami dito sa mall para bumili ng gift at card.
Mommy, this one.
Tayo ng card for a 7-year-old kid. Kasi 7 na yung, magsi-7 na yung classmate ni Enzo. Ito yung napili kong card. Wala namang masyadong pagpilian, dalawa lang. Nakabayad na ako. Cute naman tong nabili ko. Bili ng libro. Plus naman. Plus pa naman yung ibang store. Kasi 11 ang mag-o-open yung store. Plus pa yung iba, oh. Tambay lang kami habang hinihintay namin magbukas yung store. Ilang minutes na lang, 10 minutes.
Wait,
Are you excited for Noah's birthday party?
where should I look at?
Here, look kami.
I'm not looking.
Here. Plus pa ang mga store. Kunti pa lang ang tao dito sa mall kasi hindi pa open. Finally, nag-open na.
How about this?
It's all books.
My daddy, I got the Coca.
Sobrang mahangin ngayon. Tapos malamig. Enzo's classmate's house.
Stop sign.
Malapit lang naman.
What's the stop sign? Stop sign. Stop sign.
Somebody's excited.
Yeah, me. Stop sign. On left. Oh, I see the stop sign.
We're here.
Ali's walking. Ali's walking.
Hello! Na-pick up na namin si Enzo.
Oh, you went somewhere.
May treat siya.
Oh, that's Big Taka.
Did you have fun, Enzo?
You go na different way.
Hello! Nakauwi na kami. Ito yung treat bag ni Enzo.
Mommy, this is actually a tattoo.
Galing sa party.
did
Ang
put
laman niya, candies, chocolates,
and tattoos.
stickers.
Keychain.
You have keychain?
I made that.
Really?
That's a cool.
You did art?
No,
So cute.
I need to put this in the garbage.